Would you like to know how to have a beautiful seam all the way around your circle without showing the slip stitch, the slip knot, or anything? It's completely smooth and looks like everything was crocheted instead of this weird knot every single time and making it look awkward. So let me show you how to do that. It's called the invisible join for a round or a circle, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So hang tight, let's get started. So in order to make it look like you crocheted all the way around, literally you can't even tell where right here I sewed. If I bend a little bit, you can see it that I sewed it right there, but it actually looks like it was crocheted. So I'm going to show you right now how to do that. So let's do that. So I'm going to remove here this knot. So here's how it's going to look like if you are finishing a round and you haven't done the slip stitch yet. And let's say you are actually finished with either the circle, the hat, or whatever you're working on. It could be an amigurumi part, anything you want to have a smooth transition from the first to the last stitch. It can be even when you make color changes. What you're going to do is instead of making a slip knot, you're going to pull out your yarn. Obviously, you're going to need to cut it first, right? So that's what you're going to do. And then you're going to use your tapestry needle or whatever needle you have to weave in your yarn. So what you're going to do is you're going to pretend that you crocheted this part. In order to do that, you're going to have to imitate that loop. What we're going to do, we're going to go from the back to the front underneath this loop right here. Okay, these two loops, that V, there's that gap underneath where you would typically insert your hook to, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to go through this. Simply pull through like so. Don't pull too tight because you still want it to look like it is the loop. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take your needle and insert it where the beginning part of your yarn came out from, right? So that last stitch, you're going to simply insert right here. What I would suggest you do is you're not just going through the back loop from the front to the back, but you also are going to kind of weave it in here at the same time. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go through from the front to the back underneath the back loop right there, and I'm going to weave it in at the same time, kind of splitting my yarn, so that way I wove it in at the same time like so. And I'm not going to pull too tight because I want it to still look like a V. So now you can see that it actually looks exactly like all the other ones. So that is how you do the invisible join, and you can do that for any rounds, anytime. I actually do that every time I make a color change, or if you finish up your hat or something and you want to make it look pretty instead of having a weird slip knot or something. So that's simply how you do it. Just weave it in. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos, and turn on the little bell to get a notification the next time I publish a new video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment below. Be sure to check out all my videos regarding how to make a flat circle using single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet on my YouTube channel. I hope to see you next time. Until then, bye.